handouts for you guys. It's very meaty. It's 7 pages, but I figured even if you don't take notes, it's already here, so we don't forget. Now, how many of you already have Facebook? Whoa, look at that! Yeah. So you using it? Basically, connecting with a lot of people? Yeah. What?
Not really.
Not really?
Just learning.
Just learning?
I think I signed up 3 weeks ago.
Okay, that's pretty good. How about Twitter? Oh, wow, this crowd is on top of things. Okay, so, catching my breath, because I wanted to get my projector earlier. Anyway, what makes social media powerful, in my opinion, is that it allows you to create and find people that you can connect with that otherwise you would have no access to. So basically, I made a list of the people that I'm following on Twitter, some of them are following me back. I don't think President Obama is following me back. But, Governor, the governor is following me. I'm sure it's an auto-follow, but still. Les Armstrong, And a lady I really admire is Ruth Klein, and then Mari Smith. Take note of that name. Some of you probably already know that name because I think she is the queen of social media. Okay, social media, per Wikipedia, defines as participatory online media where news, photos, videos, and podcasts are made public by social media websites through submission. It is normally accompanied by a voting process to make media items become popular. Voting means interactive or the ability for the subscribers to ask questions, adding comments, or even editing the stories themselves. Basically, it's just, what it means is that you're able to participate. You're able to connect with a person. Instead of just a dead website when you want to know about somebody and you're like, about me. And that's it. You can't really ask questions. Social media allows you to connect with people by leaving a comment, whether it's a blog, leave a comment or ask them a question, they can know you back. Just it's participatory. That's basically what it differs, how it differs. And you're able to show your photos and in real time. You're able to share. If you're going to use this as part of your overall marketing campaign, you have to find some time. And 30 minutes a day for both Facebook and Twitter, I think it's a lot. And you can start with 10, you can start with 15. And what I tell people, what's taking a lot of time on Facebook is when you start sending these virtual gifts. And I don't know if you guys understand the virtual gifts. Like, oh, somebody sent you a hug, or somebody sent you a kiss, or, I ignore those. I have like 800 requests in those. And it's just hard. You can't keep track of all of that. Basically you just keep connecting.
Sometimes I'll go to a website or a blog and there'll be icons on the bottom that say, add to Facebook, add to MySpace, dig it, and all these things. What are they? And some people have told me that they added my website to their Facebook page, or they took, I don't know, did something with
You
the
added your website to their Facebook page?
Or maybe they wrote about, maybe,
Oh,
I don't know.
I was one of the people that he's going to be interviewing in that show. So it kind of it creates branding for you without you having to hire a personal PR assistant or a PR publicist. You see, it's just a less expensive way of being able to get there and people to see your face and brand yourself. Okay? So that's the idea behind Twitter and social media. Okay, share links. Share links. The main thing, like with people, when they share links to others, like if they see an article or if they see a blog page and they want to share it, they can share that on Twitter. And the more you share valuable information to your followers, the more you're going to be valuable to them. They're going to say, oh, what's she up to today? Or what does she have to offer today? What kind of inspirational story does she have? Quickly to use the URL shortening tools like tinyURL. Again, that's on tweetdeck.com, and I wrote that as a resource in the back. Because there's, you know how sometimes you cut and paste a link, and it's pretty long. TinyURL will make it shorter, because then otherwise the whole 140 characters is just a link. Okay, so that would shorten the link. Service. Some companies actually use Twitter for customer service. Talk about interactive. Talk about, exposure. I mean, they don't care if people see what their complaints are about their companies. It's effective. It shows that